Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinky, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that we had a major flash crash on Binance US, where actually Bitcoin went down all the way almost to $8,000. But it just happened on Binance US. Let's talk about it. The second thing I would like to talk about, that Walmart is planning to have a lot of Bitcoin ATMs. Now the pilot program, it's all about 200, but it's coming up and the goal is 8,000 exactly. And the third news is that Houston Firefighters pension fund makes Bitcoin Ethereum purchase. So pension funds getting also into crypto, not the first one, but let's talk about that as well. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get this daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I bring them for you. The only thing you have to do, subscribe, the bell button, that's the only thing. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And as I said, I'm putting them on YouTube every weekday. Check out the links under this video. There's a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, and also check out the links as well. You can save a lot of money with those registrations. And now it's time to move on to the market, where we can see that Bitcoin, it's right now, let's real quick refresh it, about the same. So Bitcoin is at $63,302 US, which is a 4% decrease in the last 24 hours. Ethereum doing very similar, 3.5% down, $4,116 US. When we're looking at the gainers today, we see Thorchain going up 20%, OKB 16%, and Terra Luna 7%. And then when we're looking at the losers, yesterday we had none. Now we have a small one. So we have Stacks 5% down, Litecoin 5% down, Flow 5% down. So that's it so far. A kind of sideways movements right now from Bitcoin, because a 4% decrease, it's nothing special, but it has probably also something to do with this flash crash and some other things. When we're looking at the Bitcoin price here, the candlestick chart, I drew here this support line, kind of trend line, put it this way, but kind of also works as a support. And well, look, again, we did turn back. So I would watch this line. When we break through, then we can come down even to, for example, this 58. This would be the next bigger support if you're looking at the full picture. As you can see, well, put it this way. So you can see here around this 58 area. And yes, so this is what I'm looking at right now. But also, of course, you can turn back and continue. It's also possible we're forming here a rising wedge, which is, a kind of bearish thing. After a while it can come back, but this would be actually normal in my opinion. Look, we going up so nicely. We're going up since here, which is basically beginning of October. So in the last 22 days, it's just up. Sooner or later, I do expect something, a kind of pullback, and then we can continue, because the mood on the market is still bullish. The trend is bullish. If you're looking at the big picture, a pullback, a correction is totally normal. Okay, and now let's move on to the first news. And the first news is all about this big flash crash which just happened, on the Binance, and it was major. Very important, before everybody starts to look for it, it happened on Binance US, to make it very, very clear. I can show it to you, this very nasty candle. Look at this one. From here all the way down, they saying around 8,000 US dollar, it went down. And luckily, to be honest with you, because it's Binance US, there is no leverage trading. Therefore, imagine what could happen if something is like this is going on and there is like leverage trading. What a washout that would be. even this one was a scary one. And look here, the article is saying that Bitcoin plummeted to 8,200 on Binance US platform. Cointelegraph first reported. The brief decline in the cryptocurrency was an 87% fall from 65,815. Binance CEO tweeted, expect very high volatility in crypto over the next few months, because now the whales, can manipulate this market, and something like this actually can happen. They did know that Binance US doesn't have that much money there, so they can definitely make this move. On the other hand, here is now an email to Insider. The company said that one of our institutional traders indicated to us that they had a bug in their trader algorithm, which appears to have caused a sell-off. We are continuing to look into the event, but understand from the trader that they have now fixed their bug and that issue appears to have been solved. So, yeah, we will see, is that the truth or somebody was playing with it? But look at this candle. This is crazy. But this happened just on Binance US, okay? So don't look for this candle on Binance, on Coinbase in general. But of course, it could have a little impact on the market, but it was just really real quick down and then straight away back. Right, scary one, right? Okay, guys, next one. The next news, it's all about Walmart and 200 Bitcoin ATMs being installed at Walmart, and they planning much, much more. So let's talk about it. We do know that to make crypto more popular, we need places where people can use it in their everyday life. And therefore, ATMs are definitely one of these points. And now we have Walmart, and they installed now 200 Bitcoin ATMs, and they plan to do 8,000. So this is a big number. So Walmart plans to eventually install 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs in the US and has installed 200 in this pilot program. Walmart has partnered with coin cashing machine company Coinstar and the crypto cash exchange CoinMe to install 200 Bitcoin ATMs in the stores across the US. According to Coin ATM Radar, there are currently over 25,000 Bitcoin ATMs at select grocery stores and service stations in the US. Coinstar operates 4,400 kiosks and enable for Bitcoin purchases across 33 states. The Bitcoin ATMs have been, this is when it comes to price, because the ATMs are the most expensive one if you would like to do and buy some Bitcoin, for instance. So do something in trading in crypto. So the Bitcoin ATMs have 11% surcharge, comprised of 4% fee for Bitcoin option, plus an additional 7% cash exchange fee. So it's up. This is 11%. As a point of comparison, popular crypto trading platforms, for instance, Binance and Coinbase, charging 3 to 4.5 and around 4-ish for debit and credit card purchases, respectively. It's free to make a direct deposit from bank account to Binance and Coinbase wallet. So if you're looking at this, definitely ATMs are the ones which are much more expensive. However, people can use it very easily in their everyday life if they need some money here or would like to buy some Bitcoin. So, well, depends, whatever it's important for you. But it increased opportunities to do something, get some Bitcoin and do something with your Bitcoin. And I think this is the most important part. Right, and the next news. The next one is all about Firefighters pension fund in Houston, because they bought Bitcoin and also Ethereum. To increase the trust into crypto is when, more and more people invest in crypto, more and more institutions. And now we have here pension funds. For instance, Houston Firefighters Pension Fund makes Bitcoin and Ether purchases. The fund has invested 25 million in crypto in what appears to be the first for the US public pension plan. And here you can see that the Houston Firefighters Relief and Retirement Funds purchases marks the first time the public pension plan in the US has announced an investment in digital asset. The fund has invested 25 million in the Bitcoin and Ether, though it has not disclosed how this is split between the two, so how much Bitcoin, how much Ethereum. The fund holds over 4 billion in the total asset, according to Bloomberg. So it comes down for this 4 billion to 25 million. But again, to increase the trust in crypto, it counts a lot. And, you know, we're talking about here US public pension plan, which is investing in cryptocurrency. Well, this is also something which will make crypto even more well-known, more popular, and probably more trustable. And this is basically what we need if you want to more people on board. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button. And also, if you would like to join Blockchain Bloom, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. Tomorrow is weekend, so I'm back on Monday. I wish you a great weekend. Have a good one. Bye-bye.